What's up mga mami? Another day, another discovery. So for today's video ay pupunta kami ngayon ng Bulacan. Yes, because we will have our vacation with the family again. Gani and Sebastian over there. And syempre si Buddy. So later we will tell you saan kami pupunta. But for now, it's travel time. Now we are entering Lasorin Villas. Yes. Here is their entrance going to our villa. So for today, we're staying at Viaje Villa. And this is it. Their camper van. And here's the pool. There. So I'll upload separate vlog for the Viaje Villa tour. Yay! May pabate! There. Isagani! Look! Read it! Read it! Isagani! Congratulations! So hi, we're gonna have our dinner. It's a dinner. We have all cheese and spinach. Sit with Buddy.
Can I try this?
Gani, come here. Kuya Basti, pizza, pizza, Kuya Basti. Yum, 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 yum. Kaon, kaon ng pizza. Si Sagani, hindi kumakain ng madami. Oh. Nanood kami ngayon dito sa labas. Meron silang pa-projector dito na pwedeng-pwede nyong gamitin during your stay. And much advisable siyang gamitin after evening para medyo madilim na at mas malinaw ang ating projector. And yan, nanood kami. What are you watching?
Big Family Matters.
What's your favorite character? Wala? Kamot gani? Don't know too. Okay, me. My favorite is Rumi.
Hi everyone, we're gonna cook our s'mores. Come on.
So now we're having our bonfire. Gani, show it the bonfire. Yay. Dili. Go there, sit down kayo dun, oh.
Don't like?
Doon sa kabila. I will sit down also.
Oh, that's good.
Open natin.
Come on.
Open ko yung graham cracker.
I'm gonna do something extremely combo-ish.
Ito, oh.
Carmen said that thing I always like. I like to burn it to a crisp one. We got one, we need to get one.
There's it.
We got it.
Show to them how. O, doon kayo, stand up, Billy. Sa bonfire, pipicture kayo ni Mami.
Oi! Whoa!
Show them. Whoa. Oh, guys, Billy, pipicture kayo ni Mami.
Go, time to melt these ones.
Good morning, mga mommy. Day 2 here at Lasorin Villa. Ang aga namin mag-swimming. Nilinis namin yung pool. Tinanggal namin yung mga ano dito. Maliliit na kuliglig. Ganon. Ganda ng area dito kasi yung mga huni talaga ng ibon lang yung maririnig nyo, guys. And still, natutulog ang aming bunso dyan sa loob ng camper van. And si Kuya Basi naman ay nagbibihis currently dahil magsiswimming na din. Antayin natin ang ating breakfast in the pool. Yan, may free 2 complimentary breakfast when you avail their one night dito sa kanilang Viaje Villa. So, we'll update you pagdating ng aming food. See you later!
Can I see?
That's the breakfast! We're gonna grill some liempo and hot dog. Hosted by Buddy. Pakita natin ang mga liempos. Yay! So now let's check the inihaw of Buddy. Let's go. Finish na ang liempo. Next is the most requested hot dog. Giant hot dogs. Pawis na. Time check. It's already 5:53 p.m. Kaya lalabas tayo. Kasi tayo ay magmamerienda or dinner ba. Bahala na kung anong gagawin natin. Nagpahinga muna kami dito for the whole day sa aming second villa. So, samahan nyo kaming humanap ng food. Here they have grill nights at Lazarin. Yan, nag-order kami ng ihaw. Yan kay ate. Dito lang yan sa... Saan to, ate?
Grill nights po, by
Yeah.
Lazarin.
Yes. Pagka nabisita kayo ng Bulacan, punta rin kayo dito. Yan ang concept nila. Tayo ang
Grill on your own po.
Yun, grill on your own.
Samgyup style, pero Filipino style po.
Yan. Thank you, ate.
Po, enjoy po.
Antayin namin yung iba naming order. So, try natin yung kanilang in-house na restaurant. Actually, nag-iisa lang to. Yun nga sabi ko kanina, pwede kayong dumayo dito para kumain. Yung mga hindi naka-check-in, pwede kayong bumisita. Tapos itry nyo lang dito yung kanilang mga ihaw your own. Sangyup style. So, ito mamaya iihawin natin yan. Siyempre, I'm with the kids. Yan, with Kuya Basti. And our makulit Gani. Good morning mga mommy! So this is our last day here at Lazarin. After ng breakfast namin, mag-check out na kami and then I'll be telling you later my overall review in this villa. Pero sa ngayon ay nagsiswimming muna ang mga bata habang nag-aantay nga ng breakfast. So here they are! Hi again mga mommy! So now we will be checking out. And I will be recommending this Lazarin Villa dahil sobrang ganda ng experience namin dito. We had a fun stay here kasi it's very relaxing. Tapos na-feel namin yung exclusivity ng lugar kasi nga dahil dalawang villa lang siya, konting tao lang at bisita. At pangalawa, yung nature na napakaganda, tahimik, away from the city. The food was great. The location itself was great dahil it's I think 1 to 2 hours away lang from Manila. And I recommend also na pakabait ng mga staff nila dito, matulungin. And also they gave us a welcome drink. And very responsive yung page nila during our stay here kasi nga exclusive siya. So parang mafe-feel mo talaga as in yung kayo lang yung tao dito. If you're looking for a place to stay and have a vacation, tas ayaw nyo na yung mga crowded places, and you want exclusivity. Yun talaga yung term ko doon. Exclusively, nasa inyo lang tong buong place na to. So, yun. I recommend this. So, yung mga konting, red flag, siguro, yun, ingat na lang din kasi nga, syempre, this is a nature tripping. Kailangan, we are prepared for the lamoks and insects dito. So, kaya nga sila may pa-freebie na off lotion para yon pahid nyo sa mga kids or even sa inyo para smooth ang stay nyo dito sa Lazarin Villa. So, once again, I recommend this villa. So, if you want to check their page, I'll put it here. And their address also, dyan nyo check. Message nyo lang sila. Very responsive. We had a good stay here at Lazarin Villa. So, I hope you enjoy all my vlog and the tours, room tour na ginawa ko dito sa dalawang villa that we stayed for 3 days and 2 nights. So, yun lang mga mommy. I hope you liked my video. Bye mga mommy. See you on my next vlog. Bye!